Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following additional topics in mathematics question is asking you to find out the value of three constants whose values are given to you, and then add them up together to figure out what the right answer is. So I'm going to go ahead and start with x. Well, we know that x and whatever inner angle this is, since it's a missing angle, I'm going to label it m, added together has to equal 180 because both of these are supplementary angles. Hopefully you were able to see that. So our first step would be try to figure out what m is, so that then we can say, well, m plus x equals 180, and we can subtract m from both sides. Well, m is going to be easy to find as well, because we already know that value that 58 and 37 have, right? Those two other inner angles. You should hopefully also know that all the inner angles of a triangle added up together give you 180 degrees. So number 2 would be to say 37 degrees plus 58 degrees plus m equals 180 degrees as well. So now we can just subtract 37 from both sides and 58 as well, and actually that's going to give you what? M equals 85. So then we have a value for m that we can use to solve for x. So the third step here would say would be 85 plus x equals 180, and then you would subtract 85 from both sides, and that would give you that x equals 95 degrees. So that took a lot of steps, but that's how you solve for x. And once you've got that, it becomes significantly easier to finish up with this problem. So to find z, what you've got to do is say, well, the same thing we said for m and x here at step number 3. 58 plus z equals 180 as well, because those are also supplementary along this line. So 58 degrees plus z gives you 180 degrees. You're going to subtract 58 from both sides, and that should give you that z equals 122. That's a big one. And then we can do the same thing for y. So we know 37 degrees plus y equals 180 degrees. And now we're going to subtract 37 from both sides. And that's going to give you that y equals 143, even bigger. All right, awesome. So now that we've got the values for x, y, and z, we can go ahead and add them up. And hopefully something that you've seen already. You know the right answer is 360 degrees. If you go through the math here, 143 plus 122 plus 95 does in fact equal 360 degrees. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.